Hello guys, welcome to CV Clouds. My name is Vishal Mankar, and in this video I will show you how to set up your free Salesforce developer org, which is your personal playground for learning and practice Apex coding. We'll also write and run our very first Apex code printing hello world. So let's get started. So first step is, what is a Salesforce developer org? A developer org is a free Salesforce environment where you can experiment, test and build apps and learn without any risk. It is best way to get hands-on experience with Salesforce and Apex programming language. So as you can see here, this is how the Salesforce org looks like. Okay. Now I will show you how to create this developer org. First, open your web browser and go to the developer.salesforce.com/signup. I will attach this link into the description of this video. You can go there and create the developer org. Once you go to the website, you can see a form. We have to fill that form. I will show you how to fill that form. You have to add first name here. Let's say I will add my first name Vishal, last name Mankar, job title Salesforce developer. You can add your job title whatever you have, like intern, trainee or any other. Work email, I will add my work email. I will add my personal email here. Company, for now I will add Salesforce. Country, India. I will check this checkbox and I will also check this checkbox. Then I will click on sign me up. Once you click on this button, you will get this kind of page. Okay, that means almost there. Check your email. Now we will receive an email from the Salesforce. As you can see here in my inbox, I have already received. I got here the username. Okay, and now I have to reset password for this username. So I will click on reset password here. Click on reset password button. Now I will give the password here, new password. Confirm the same password here. And here is the security question. You can select according to you, whatever your security question. So I will use first one. Okay, and change password. Now you have successfully logged into the Salesforce org. Okay, as you know that you have username and password. I will show you. I will log out from this org for now. I will show you how to log in. To log in to the Salesforce, you need to go to the login.salesforce.com. You have to provide username here. Let's say this is my username. Provide here password. For this, I don't want to register my phone. I will click on this link. Now you have successfully logged in to your developer org. I will explain you the important things in this org. First of all, in the left corner you can see here 9 dots. That 9 dots means app launcher. Here you can see apps and objects that you have created or if there are any existing. Okay. Then you can see here the gear icon. Okay. You can see here there is one gear icon. We can say that this is a setup menu, but generally we are saying that this is a gear icon. We can click on the setup and we can directly jump to the setup page. So this is our setup page. Now the step is open the developer console. So to start coding, we have to open the developer console. So we will click on the gear icon. We can see here developer console. We will click on the right and open the link in the new tab. So this is the developer console and this is our coding workspace where we are writing the Apex classes and triggers. Now to write our first Apex program, we will open the anonymous window. To open the anonymous window, we will click on the debug and then open anonymous window. Okay, we can also open the anonymous window using shortcut keys like Control E. We can see here, this is the anonymous window. In this anonymous window, you can see here we have open log checkbox, execute button and execute highlighted button. So I will explain you each and everything. So in Apex, if you want to print anything, so we have to use system.debug statement, system.debug statement, and in the single quote we have to write whatever we want to print. Let's say hello world, hello world. Okay, so we have successfully written here our code. Like if we will execute this code, then it will print whatever inside this single quote. Okay, so we will check this checkbox so that it will open the logs to see the hello world printed, and we will click on the execute. See, this is the logs that is automatically open. Why? Because on the anonymous window we have check this checkbox. That's why once we click on the execute, it will execute and it will automatically open this log. Okay, to check what is the printed, we can see here we have the debug only checkbox. We have to check that checkbox. Once we check, we can see here the hello world is printed. That means we have successfully written our first program, and it is successfully working as well. Okay, and then I will explain you what is the mean by execute highlighted button. So let's say we have multiple system debugs. Let me write multiple system debugs. Okay, so we have 3 system debugs, but out of that 3 we just want to print second and third system debug. Okay, then we have to select that things or select that code that we want to print or that we want to execute, and we have to click on execute highlighted. That means whatever we highlighted here, it will execute only those code. Okay, and we click on debug only to see the what is printed. As you can see that only the things that are selected is printed: hello India and hello Salesforce. Hello world is not printed. Why? Because we have selected executed highlighted only. Okay, so guys, we have successfully written our very first Apex code. Now I will provide you some tips. So the tip number 1 is always use your developer org for safe learning and practice. And tip number 2 is play around with your code. That means try changing the message or adding new words or adding new codes. Okay, Salesforce debug logs are the place to see your output. These are the Salesforce debug logs. Debug log this, and this is also a debug log. Salesforce debug logs are the place to see your output. So make sure you check them after every execute run. Okay, guys, I have also added one PDF for practice for this video. Please go through that and practice each and everything that I have added into that PDF. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials, and also subscribe to my channel. And in the description of this video, I have added all the social media links. You can join there so that you will get the latest notifications about everything that is happening in my channel. So thank you so much guys.